Well, we're getting into summer, and if your area is anywhere like mine, it's coming a little early. And if your lawn's not ready, it's gonna start stressing out, checking out, turning colors other than the green that you want it to be. I want to talk today about a staple product for me as far as hanging on to the green color while at the same time doing my part to conserve water here in the desert, and that's Hydretain. So today is all about Hydretain and how it works, and more importantly, how to apply it. And that's what I want to talk to you about today. Here we go. So you can get Hydretain in a couple of different variations. You can get a ready-to-use 32-ounce bottle that hooks up to your hose. You can get a 1-gallon bottle, and you can mix that into a empty ready-to-use gallon like I have here, which is what I'm going to do today. You can put it in a hose end sprayer. You can put it in a backpack sprayer. I find that these ready-to-use bottles are probably my favorite way to apply, just because you don't have to worry about mixing anything. You can just put it in here, and then the water mixes itself in here. And when I've used it in a backpack sprayer, I've found that it just gets way too bubbly and it gets a little messy. So today I'm going to be applying it with this ready-to-use bottle, just a leftover one that I have. It's also available in granular form if you want to use it in granular form. And all of them work. They all work really, really well. I prefer the liquid just because it gets down and into the root system faster and is ready to go. Now, as far as application rates go, you have a couple of options as far as how you want to apply it. You can go the full rate, which is 9 ounces per thousand, and you can apply that every 3 months. Or you can do what I do, and I find this to be much more effective because it's always going to be in the soil and it's not going to be going away or washing out any faster. It's going to be nice and consistent. What I do is I follow the label instructions at 9 ounces per thousand for the initial application, and then every month after that through the summer months I apply at 1/3 rate, so 3 ounces per thousand. So that's what I do. I put my first application down about a month ago, so today will be my second application of the year, and I will do 3 ounces per thousand. Now, my front yard here is about 2,000 square feet, so I'm gonna put 6 ounces of Hydretain in this bottle and hook it up to my hose, spray it out across the lawn, and call it good for another month. Now, with that being said, Hydretain isn't limited to just grass. You can use this on potted plants, you can use this on vegetables, you can use this on whatever you're growing, as long as it's something that you need to keep water available and around the root zone, especially if it's outside in the summer heat. It's a perfect product. All right, everything is down, we're good to go, and now I just need to water it in. And that's the important thing to remember when you're applying Hydretain. It needs to be applied to wet soil, and after you apply it, it needs to be watered in so that it can get down to the root zone, start doing its thing. But really, it's as easy as that. So that's Hydretain, that's how you apply it, and like I said, it is a staple for me, especially during these hot summer months. We've already seen 100 degrees here. Well, at least close to it, 98, 99. So definitely a good time to apply that. Good thing to have in the lawn. It makes a big difference. So that's going to wrap it up for me. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.